Today, we are traveling into the past, far back, to witness one of the most theatrical events of our solar system's history, the birth of the Moon. For ages, man has gazed up at the Moon, wondering about its origins. Did Earth capture it? Did it spin off from our planet? However, the leading scientific theory points to something far more explosive. Imagine the early solar system, an extremely chaotic swirl of gaseous dust and little baby planets known as planetesimals. Oh, there was much more than a cosmic demolition derby out there. And right in the middle of it all was the young Earth, still forming. Now enters Theia. This was not your average space rock. Theia was a Mars-sized protoplanet minding its own business when, BAM! Oh, this was a massive collision. This was not a slight knock, but a cosmic bump up of proportions that will be discussed for a long time. This is the giant impact hypothesis, the one that's gotten the most. All this destruction happened because this impact was so violent, throwing huge amounts of material into the air and space from both Earth's mantle and Theia itself. This rubbish pulled together and slowly made its way to becoming what we now recognize as the Moon. But how do we know that this is what happened? Well, there's some pretty compelling evidence. First, the lunar rocks returned by the Apollo missions have a very similar composition to that of the Earth's mantle. This is suggestive of a common origin. Second, the Moon has a relatively small iron core compared to that of the Earth, which makes sense if it was formed mostly from the mantle material ejected during the impact. And third, very sophisticated computer simulations of this giant impact have matched the qualities of the Moon, for instance, size and orbit composition. Of course, there are still some mysteries. Scientists are still locked in what angle and speed Theia smashed into the Earth. But at least there is giant impact hypothesis, which stands as most convincing one so far. When one looks up at the Moon, he or she should remember the event of its dramatic birth, a cosmic collision which has shaped a planet and bestowed upon it a constant celestial companion. Let us now try to answer some questions related to this interesting topic. Question 1. Which planet collided with proto-Earth? Question 2. How do we know about the formation of the Earth? Question 3. What is Theia? We hope you learned something new and interesting. For more such fun and interesting videos, do follow us. Thank you and happy learning.